しょくぎょう. We use this in self-introductions, on resumes, and when talking about future paths. 職業。自己紹介や履歴書、進路の話でよく使います。It is used as a noun. 職業 literally means a person's regular work or field, like one's line of employment or profession. 人がお金を得るためにする決まった仕事やその分野、系統を指します。The first kanji means a job post or duty. It shows up in words about people at work. Think of shokuin and shokuma. It connects to roles and positions. The second kanji means work, business, or result of actions. It appears in words for fields of work. You can see it in sangyo and nogyo. It points to activity or industry. What is your occupation? あなたの職業は何ですか？あなたの職業は何ですか？ My occupation is a teacher. 私の職業は教師です。私の職業は教師です。He chose a new profession. 彼は新しい職業を選びました。彼は新しい職業を選びました。My mother's occupation is a nurse. 母の職業は看護師です。母の職業は看護師です。The most common synonyms of the word are 仕事 and 職種。仕事 is broader, meaning any work or tasks, while 職種 is a type or category within occupations. The most common antonym of the word is 無職, which means having no job or not being employed, the absence of an occupation.